ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯔꯗꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯔꯗꯨꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ। ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯝꯐꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯑꯥꯔ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡ ꯍꯣꯜꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯁꯜ ꯁꯥꯜꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯗꯦ 2023 ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯃꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯔꯗꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯔꯗꯨꯜꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ। ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯖꯖꯁꯤꯡ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯒꯥꯏꯐꯨ-ꯁꯤꯂꯨ-ꯀꯕꯨꯏ, ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦ. ꯒꯨꯅꯦꯁ꯭ꯋꯔ ꯁꯔꯃ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯜꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯌꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦ. ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯂꯥꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯊꯨꯡꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯈꯤ꯫ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯣꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯈꯤ꯫ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯔꯗꯥꯠ ꯃꯤꯔꯗꯨꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯄꯨꯡ 24ꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ꯫ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯗꯤꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯚꯂꯟꯇꯤꯌꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯂꯣꯠ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕꯗ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ꯫ ꯃꯁꯜꯁꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯆꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡ ꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤ꯫ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ-ꯃꯈꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯦꯌꯔꯅꯦꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ꯫
We have to take care of those, we have to reach out to those who need our assistance and our services the most. The judiciary be involved in something that was beyond our realm. But I believe that the judiciary is the most suited for the upliftment of the marginalized, the helpless, the disadvantaged sections of society. And which is why we have constantly been expanding the scope of our reach out to all of those who require our assistance and our services. The registration of zero FIRs during difficult times, as my brother Justice Bimol Singh said, is a novel step, and I am sure it will be replicated in other parts of the country where it is difficult for victims and complainants to get access to the police.